Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You're with Martin Panev, Chief Account Executive and Trading Analyst, GDMFX. Welcome to today's European Session Market Outlook. I will cover briefly the major markets, as I usually do, starting with the CAC 40. It has managed to recover a substantial portion of its losses last week and is still looking quite positive today. The situation on the German DAX 30, though, is not looking that good. But there are news to come this week, so we might see a recovery from last week's about 120 pips decline, which was a severe down movement. The US markets are also recovering from last week's declines. It's pretty much the same movement with the Dow and the high-tech NASDAQ indices. This week is all about GDP data, gross domestic product, all over the major currencies, starting with Japan, going through the biggest US economies, the German economy and the French. We will also see relatively smaller economies, GDP data outputs over the week. And of course, the entire Eurozone gross domestic product will come. On Friday, the British economy is going to print out its GDP data as well. In the meantime, we will see microeconomical events from the Asian Pacific region by midweek, namely China, Japan, Australia, and New Zealand. And at the second part of this week, the German economy will start reporting reports on CPI and industrial production as well. UK will show its employment and unemployment reality along with its costs, which is quite important, I'm sure you agree, and also inflation reports along with Mr. Carney's speech. The retail sales in the United States on Wednesday, and it will continue the reports from the U.S. economy on Thursday and Friday, showing the jobs data as usual, the inventory numbers with regards to commodity trading, industrial production, and PPI data. The commodity and energy sector is showing some movements based on the events from Ukraine and the Middle East crisis, namely Iraq and Libya as well. The pressure for the WTI and natural gas is still on the upside. The yellow metal will be trading in a range, but of course, based on the calendar events, traders are well advised to trade the safe haven on the news. That was all from me from the starting of the week. Thank you for your attention. Of course, get back to us if you need any clarifications or any assistance. Cheers. Have a successful day. Bye-bye.